Transforming your routine into a ritual is about more than just applying lotion. It's about enveloping your body with precious oils, indulging in luxurious textures, and enjoying those royal aromas that make self-care feel like a spa moment at home. Let's talk about our JAFRA Royal Olive Collection, Intensive Restore. Our collection contains squalene fatty acids and polyphenols, which help soften the skin and reduce the feeling of tightness and help to support a healthy skin barrier. But let me know in the chat, when we talk about body care, what's your favorite? Are you more of a lightweight lotion, a silky oil, a soft hand cream, or a body mist to finish your ritual? I would love to read your answers. Let's be honest, hydration equals glow. Well-hydrated skin looks smoother, softer, and more radiant. And also, if you have a ritual, you know that boosts confidence. Body care isn't extra. It's self-care that makes you feel amazing. The final touches matters, so either a fragrance or a mist is going to equal the glam finish to your body routine. Let's start with our Royal Olive Body Lotion. This creamy body lotion is going to help intensively restore your skin's softness and radiance while enveloping your senses with the refreshing aroma of royal olive. But for a layer hydration ritual, follow with the royal olive body oil to really seal that hydration. This rich body oil is going to seal in hydration to help intensively restore your skin's softness and radiance. I would love to know if you are doing the layer trend. Which one do you do first? Do you do lotion and then body oil, or do you do it backwards? Body oil first and then body lotion. There's no rules. Whichever is your favorite results, I would love to know what's your tip. But let's not forget about our hands. They also need that love, that intensive restore. So this Royal Olive hand cream, what I love about it is that it absorbs quickly, and it also, gives you that look of your skin that it's intensively restored, and it also infuses your hands with velvety softness, and it's a non-greasy feel. So if you love a hand cream, where do you keep it? At your desk, in your purse, in your car? Do you have one? Do you have many? Let me know in the chat. And I want to share with you the key ingredients of these Royal Olive Collection. First, it's our olive oil, which contains nourishing lipids and polyphenols that helps restore skin radiance and support a healthy skin barrier. Vitamin E, we all know that is an antioxidant ingredient that helps condition and moisture the skin. And it also has olive leaf extract. It's an antioxidant ingredient that helps moisture the skin. So all these key ingredients, you can find them in our JAFRA Royal Olive Collection. But JAFRA Beauties, a body mist is the perfect final layer. It refreshes your skin, it boosts your mood, and adds a soft, feel-good scent without feeling heavy. Have you tried our Royal Olive Body Mist? Let me know if you love it as much as I do. And to wrap it up, remember, our skin deserves everything. So experience intensive restoration today with the Olive Collection by JAFRA Beauties.